since meeting you, I've been infatuated with you. Your beautiful spirit is a reflection of who you are as a person. Your caring, supportive nature makes me feel loved even on the worst days. Your sharp wit and sense of humor keeps me on my toes when I need to laugh. And it's your loyalty to those you love that inspires me and lets me know that you'll always have my back.
You are truly the yin to my yang, the balance I need in every situation. When I get worked up, you anchor me and bring me back to center. Your caring nature and unwavering support make you the most amazing partner I could ever ask for. And let's not forget your ability to make me laugh, even when I'm not in the mood. That it may be my favorite thing about you. Not everyone is funny, let's be honest, but you have a way of brightening my world with your humor, and for that I am eternally grateful.
This ring is a token of my love for you.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You know what? You may now kiss the bride.